Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to install these brake rotors. So I have to remove the tool. So I installed this I installed the hub and the bolts that goes here. Now I'm gonna show you. Can you see the card? There it is. So the hub is in the rotor. So this is how it's done. I buffed the rotor a little bit because you know when you buy brand new rotors, sometimes it comes with the oil and sometimes they're rusty. So there you have it. There's the rotor installed already. Like you see, I didn't spend much time. So it's a piece of cake. If you got this tool, I bought it in a tool truck, like I said. I bought this tool truck, tool on the tool truck, and it works only on Hondas from late 90s to 94, 95 maybe. It depends on the rotor. But I've been using these tools pretty often. So there you have it. 94 Honda Accord. And well guys, it's done. So have a good day, and see you next time.